Hi everyone, welcome to Varshita Education. Today we are going to discuss about the ServiceNow import sets through Integration Hub. See, most of the people are thinking that nowadays there is a new Australia version has released, and as well as Zurich version is also is totally implementing any integration hubs, right? Yes or no? So integration hub is very simple and easy to integrate with the third party applications, and we can get a data from a third party applications also. Okay, so now in our today's video, I'll show it to you step by step how to get a data from the Excel, and the two actual previously versions we already know that. So we are going to import the data from the Excel or any either CSV or any other kind of the applications. So we can get a data by using of import sets, right? Yes or no? But in our today's video, I'll show it to you how we can integrate the data, how we can get a data through integration hub wise. Okay, so I'll without delay I'll show it to you how to do that everything. And so don't forget to click like button, and if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. And now let's we move to the practical session on this particular integration hub. Import the data. Okay, so now I have so target table. So what's the target table? First of all, I'll show it to you. So here the incident table is my target table. Okay, so incident dot list. So I'll show it to you. Incident table is not contain any record, means it's not having records, means so I already deleted this all records for the testing purpose. So no incident records are available in my instance, right? Okay, and now I need to just go with a click on all, and now integration hub. So now you can see that in the integration hub, and this is application menu is available in our ServiceNow area, and as well as integration hub import is also there. Yes or no? And this is a integration hub usages will also be available in like a dashboard. So this is nothing but dashboard only, and integration hub is there, import is there, right? Yes or no? So just simply click on integration hub import. Now we need to get a data from a third party applications like a Excel, CSV, or otherwise any kind of the integrated applications also. Okay, now the lookup is somewhat different, and it looks like a what does that means, like a flow designing only. Okay, now I need to just create a new integration with a third party applications. Simply click on create new integration, and now you can see I need to get a data from the Excel file, and I need to import to the target table is a incident table, right? So import incident records with Excel. Okay, right. And you just provide the short description also, it is also mandatory. We can import data through integration hub. Okay, right. And now we can click on save and continue, and that's it. And now we can go with a source of the content. Where is the source of the content? I already saved that content in my Excel file. So now you can see that source is a like a file or Jira spoke. So what is the meaning of the Jira spoke? So in a previous video I already explained how to integrate with a Jira. Okay, the service how ServiceNow is integrated with a Jira, I explained in previous videos. If you want that video, and if you want to watch that video, I'll share that link in our description area. You can watch it, and how to integrate with a Jira to the ServiceNow with a integration hub. Okay, and already just integrated with that Jira spoke, means it is showing that, and you can just get a data from the Jira spoke. But as of now I'm not showing the Jira spoke integration, I would say, means data import. So now I can just use the file. In further videos I'll show it to you, and I'll make a new video on this Jira spoke, how we can get a data from the Jira application, any existing stories are there or anything, how we can get it and everything. I'll show it to you in a next video. But now I'll show it to you how to get a data from the file. Okay, now we are going to import it. So simply click on file, and as of now ServiceNow is given a chance to import a file data from the Excel or otherwise CSV. Okay, anything you can just use it, right? Now as of now I'm just using the Excel. Okay, now the drag and drop the browsing of a data. So we can click on drag and drop, and here there is an incident. I already stored that incident table content in my Excel sheet, so that's why I just click on incident and simply click on open. And now we can go with a what does it mean, sheet name is a page one, and header row is a, so one is a header row. Okay, if you want to get the data, you can keep it that header row is a one, and like this. Okay, and now we can go with the like a category, priority, description, and how that Excel sheet contains the data, everything will be visible here. So category is there, priority is there, description is also there, number is also there, short description, caller, state, active, and created by, updated, everything will be available, right? Now after completion of this one, simply you can go to the map to target. Yes, so keep the working means you can just click on save first. Okay, now I can already saved this one incident table Excel file, and now we can see, and I'll go to the map to target. Okay, in this map to target I need to add a target table. Okay, source to target table data mapping means simply add a table. So what table we need to add? Mapping means incident. Okay, so incident, where is the incident table? And run table business rules when importing. See, previously in our normal methodology, how that business rules are running in a incident table, how that important, like a any kind of the background scriptings or any kind of things are there, everything will be run and according to the particular so scenarios. So that's why we can just leave it all those things, and simply by default it was checked, and then you can keep it as it is, nothing to worry, and simply click on save. And then after saving that, now it is not yet mapped. Mapping is also available, right? Yes or no? So I need to just click on not yet mapped on this area, and now we can see this is a target table, incident table, right? Yes or no? So I need to just add a field, and what field we need to add? Number. For example, I need to add a number, and here the where is the number is there here, so we can drag and drop it here, just that's it, and add a field. And now we can see that category is there, so category, I can add the category is also here. And what is the adding field? Priority is also there. So priority, and what is the priority value? We can add it. So simply we can drag and drop methodology. We can just use it the target table, and just everything I can map it. So short description, I can use a short description also. Caller is also caller, so state and everything I can map. So your wish, if you want to auto map it, simply click on auto map it, so everything will automatically it will map with a target fields, right? But as of now I'm just manually we are mapping, and add a field means like a what does it mean, state. mm, State is also there, so here the state is there, and active is also there. Simply I can go with all those things, simply active is there, and add a field. What is the field? Next one, created by. So I think created by is not it is just by default only, so that's why it is not showing. Okay, leave it all those things. Updated is also, I hope it's not available. Okay, that's great. And now you can see the number is a number, category is a category, priority is a priority, everything I mapped successfully, right? And after that I'll just simply click on save. And after completion of the saving, now let's we move to the schedule imports. Okay, I'll show it to you. So I just clicked on save, then successfully it was mapped and it was saved successfully. Now let's we move to the schedule imports. I think it is not at so still it is running. Okay, that's great. And I think it was completed. Map to target is was completed. And now finally, if you want to schedule it, you can just schedule imports means you can keep a schedule and click on properties, and you can schedule it everything, right? But now I can just run a execution of this schedule imports, right? So schedule import on import means you can just click on plus, icon, you can keep that any kind of the schedule name, like a so like a mm, so daily schedule, daily import schedule. Okay, so I given the daily import schedule, and every 12th hour means like a the day starting of the area at the time, so it will ready to run the import. And or who has to run as a system administrator, or otherwise if you want to just use it as a run as a ITL user. For example, if you want to provide the run as a ITL user or anything, you can just use it. But now, as of now, I'm just using the system administrator only. And concurrent import is nothing but, so every 10 records or 20 records at a time, so it will update it at 10 or 20 records like that only. But as of now, I'm not use any kind of the concurrent import. Simply click on save. So whenever we keep it the save button, now you can see the daily import schedule is also set into the every 12th hour of the day, right? Means like a every day starting. And schedule on import means you can keep it another schedules also, means so morning I given one schedule, and evening also we can keep it as a one more schedule, then you can keep it another schedule also. But as of now, I kept one only. And then after completion of this one, I need to just click on run import. Okay, simply now as of now no instants are available, right? Yes or no? I need to just click on run import. Now you can see within fraction of seconds, so the import set has to run successfully, and it will provide the data. Now we can just show it to you. Now it was completed, right? I can again, I'll check it my records as of now. So no records are available, right? Whenever we refresh this incident table, how many incident records are entered? 155 records are entered in a incident table. Means, so in a import set, whenever we mapped, and after mapping all the incident records which is available in my Excel sheet, all the incident records are so entered into my target table. So this is very simple integration. And nowadays, so most of the people and most of the developers are using this kind of the import set by using of integration hub area. So that's why these are the technologies are changed in our service now, and everyone is using this one. And those who are learning service now from the basics onwards, okay, this will helpful to you, because of the reason in our previous versions and previous like a Yokohama version, like a Xanadu and Sandigo version, in a previous version import set is somewhat different, right? And now, so this import set is completely integrated with a integration hub. So that's why a very simple way we can easy to integrate the data. Okay, I hope everyone like this video. So if you like it, please click like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And in further videos, I will ready to explain about the how we can integrate with the Jira, and not only Jira, and other applications, how we can integrate with the integration hub, and as well as how we can get a data from the Jira spoke. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you. Bye.